Let me introduce a revolutionary firefighting technology that we have launched here in India in the name and style of Cobra E300 system. It's a path-breaking technology which will make your job much more simpler and at the same time safer. This is basically a high pressure water system which we have imported from a company called Cold Cut System AB. It's a Swedish technology and it is being used now in over more than 26 countries. Swedish Navy, Malaysian Navy and US Navy all are using this system with lot of effect and with lot of confidence. I will now go through the various parts of this high pressure system, what it is all about, how it works, what are its merits, everything. Let me come up with the heart of the system. This is the high pressure pump with a petrol driven engine which generates pressure at around 300 bar. It has a fuel tank there at 20 liter capacity which can run continuously for 2 hours. The fuel consumption is 10 liters per hour. Then we have a Cobra abrasive tank. In this we store very sharp edge particles which is iron oxide which mixes with the water and is being used for cutting purpose. Stop. Okay. This is the sharp edge particles with the size less than 1 mm, between 0.3 mm to 1 mm. This is a iron oxide material which we use for cutting purpose. This mixes with the water which comes through this pump to this tank and then through the hose reel to the gun. Now you see this is a gun by which we operate the system. This is the gun by which we operate the firefighting. One man can easily operate it, and you can see there are 2 triggers, a smaller trigger and a bigger trigger. With the smaller trigger you operate the water, and with the smaller trigger you operate the abrasive, and with the bigger trigger you operate the water. And when you do want to cut the cutting job, you have to press both water and abrasive will come when you press it simultaneously. Radio control unit which it gives signal to the control panel to the abrasive tank. This is the smoke chamber at NBCD school, the fire hut, where we will be giving a live demonstration. We will be lighting up a fire inside here. Come here. This is an oil fire. We will be putting up a fire here, and what we intend to do is we will pierce through this construction from outside and we will kill the fire within couple of minutes time. Now you can see we have lightened up the fire, and within few seconds this chamber will become an inferno with lot of heat, and it will be very difficult to stand here, and we will close the door and start the operation. The rocket is getting hotter and hotter, and now we will start the Cobra action. A lot of smoke is coming out. And it's out the action. In 15 seconds, as you can see, in 15 seconds, we have been able to clear through and the engine has started. closer, now you can see the bulkhead. The temperature has substantially. See the small hole it has made. Very small hole. 1 mm hole on this. Within few minutes of operation, the temperature has gone substantially down, and we have used hardly any water inside this, and the fire was totally extinguished. Let's see in how much time. You can see there's hardly any water. There's hardly any water used for extinguishing this fire. Maybe we have used only 10 to 20 liters of water for extinguishing this fire. Okay, and the temperature you can see, you can move, is bearable limit. You can see that we have pierced this 25 mm plate in 27 seconds. See, this is the size of the hole which we have made. It's a 1 mm small hole on this plate.
10 millimeter.
Don't have to do it. The system can be remotely operated. This is the radio unit, and you will see he's simply holding the lance, and I'll be operating with it. And see the distance I can. So you can see around more than 50 to 100 meter distance also we can operate the system without any problem.